Okay, I wanted to make this quick video to give you an overview of the back office. You should have received an email this morning when we click this button here. That sends you an email with your back office information for you to be able to log in. So locate that email, and once you do, then you will be able to log into your back office. The username and password are both Aladdin with a lowercase a. So Aladdin for the username, Aladdin for the password. And once you get in, you'll click the button here to log in. Once you do this, you'll be in the back office. You can ignore all the information that's here in the middle and just look over here on the left. And really, between the arrows is where we need to focus. So first and foremost, when we click on customers, you've got manage customers. This is where you're going to see all of your customers. And what will happen is people will download the app. Once they download the app, you want to instruct them to click the favorite button. That is the heart that is on the upper left-hand side of the front of the app at the top. Once they click that, then automatically their information will be added right here, and you'll be able to see your entire customer list. That being said, just to run through the features that we actually have inside of your app, one of them is here. It's the fan wall. And with the fan wall, what will happen is when someone goes into the app and goes to the fan wall and clicks on it, they'll have an opportunity to put in a positive review or even a negative review. They'll have an opportunity to put in any review. And when they do that, you are going to get an email directly to this email that is listed here, AladdinEgyptianFood at gmail.com. And when you get that email, it's going to tell you that you've got a new message that is in your back office. So then you'll simply come here to the back office, and initially there's a message right here. This message will be listed as deactive because they cannot just post a message in there without you reviewing it first. So you'll get that message, you'll come in here, you'll go ahead and once you review it, you click this button from deactive to active, and then this message will now show up inside of the app in the fan wall. Let's imagine that someone comes in here and they write something, and when they do, let's say that it's there's a typing error, a spelling error, you can click on the edit button here, and you can come in here and fix that error, and then click the save button, and then that error will be fixed. But as soon as you approve of this message, you come in here, click that button when it says deactive to active, and you are good to go. Your fan wall is, these are really all the instructions. So that's really, really simple there. Next, we'll go ahead and go over the image gallery. You click on image gallery. We right now have we've got 6 different pictures in the image gallery. For you to add additional pictures, it's very simple. You click this button up top that says add multiple. When you click that button, you've got a spot here to be able to upload 10 different messages or 10 different pictures. You simply click on the choose file button. When you do, it's going to open up your computer. You simply click on the picture that you want to be able to add into the back office. Once you click on that picture, click the open button or what have you, and then you'll see that the picture is there. You can write in a caption, and once you do and you're all said and done, you can click the submit button. Once you click that submit button, you'll see that the picture has been added to your back office. So that is very, very simple. And once that's been added to the back office, you can then go to where the home page is. And once you go to the home page, then you're able to actually make that picture show up. So when we come all the way down here to the bottom and we click on settings and it says home screen, we click on that, and then this is the home screen for the mobile app. Everything is right here. And for this big image that's here at the top, this big screen that's got all these different features, you simply come over and click this button here that says Assign Change Functions. Once you do that, right here is where the fan wall is. So you come over here to this yellow box, and you actually, it's not the fan wall we're looking for the gallery. The gallery is right here. So you click on the gallery and all of the pictures that are in your photo gallery will be listed right here. So if we just added a new one, all you'd have to do is come in here and check the box or uncheck the box, and then all of a sudden go ahead and click save, and then that picture will be available in your app. Once you've done that, come down, click the submit button, everything is saved, and you just added a picture to the gallery. Okay, let's see. The next thing I want to go over is Submit Photo tab. You have a tab called Submit Photo, and that is here in the Forms button. Inside of the Forms button, you can see that you've got this feature that's already listed here called Submit Photos. And under the Manage Fields section, when you click on Manage, these are the 3 pieces of information that we are currently asking for. You're asking for their name, their email, and then they have the opportunity to submit a photo. If you wanted to get more information here, you could simply click Add New, and then let's say we wanted their, let's say that we wanted them to, well, let's go here. We've got this button right here which shows the different types of things that you can add. A single line of text, larger text like a paragraph, a multiple choice question, a checkbox question, a drop down, a number. This is what we're already asking for, the image from a gallery. You can also get 60 seconds of audio recording. They can literally record a message, a signature, their location, the date, time, phone number, a website, and then we're already asking for email. So those are the different types of things that you can be asking for as you're asking for this information here. Now, where it says submit photo here, let's imagine that you wanted to have some sort of contest where you were saying to the people, you know, hey, we're going to have a contest where the person that submits the picture that has the most smiles in it is going to win a prize. Fantastic. So what you can do is you can click the edit button over here, and there is a place right here, instruction for users. So send us a picture. Okay, that's actually for our barber shop, but let's go ahead and say send us a picture with the most smiles in it. So it would be send us not a picture, but a selfie. That's what the kids are calling it today. Send us a selfie with the most smiles in it to be entered into our gallery and our monthly contest for most smiles in a selfie. Win a prize. So if we go ahead and do that and click submit, if you were to look in the app now, that information is going to be right there in that section of the app. Let me go ahead and delete that, but now you know how you can go ahead and add that information into the app if you so choose. So that is the email photo tab, which is right here in the email forms. And I'm literally going through these, crossing these off the list. Next, you've got a tab called Info. Let's click on the Information tab here. And if you click on this to view, I believe, let me check inside of the app. Yes, so for some reason this isn't coming up. It's probably because I have the meeting or the recording thing going on. Okay, so here's everything, because it's not showing up with this white background because the text is white and the background is white. But this is where we have the operating hours listed. You can see here we've got the red for the background color. So literally in this information section, we're calling this hours of operation, and literally you can type in whatever information you want to have down here, and when you're done, simply click the submit button, and that's what will show up. So when we click this view, if you click this view button, you're actually going to see what's in the app. It's just not happening because I've got a lot of things going on my computer right now. If you wanted to add something else, you could go ahead and do so. But really, if you want to add another information tab, get with us so that we can go ahead and do that for you, because right now it's set up with just one information tab inside of here. Also, there is a website. If you will write this down, this website here is called appadminlogin.com. Go ahead and write that down. And the significance of this is I'm going through the entire back office, but in this website, you've got this button here that says Video Tutorials. And each one of the features that I'm going through actually has its own so in this website, in this area, you've got videos for each of the different features that we have inside of the back office. And that's literally what we're going through right now. So we just went through the Forms tab, okay? And there's a video here all about that. And we're constantly adding to this, but literally there's a video on each one of the features that we've got here inside of your back office. Okay, let's continue. So we just did the information card. Okay, underneath loyalty, we're using the punch card. And the punch card, the offer that you have in there now is for a free appetizer. The password is 10, lowercase t-e-n. The number of purchases for the reward is 4, and right now this is active. So when we click on the edit button, you can see here what this looks like. The name of the coupon or the name of the loyalty card is free appetizer. The way that it's set up now is down here, buy 4 appetizers, get 1 free. So literally what will happen is the customer comes in, they buy an appetizer, they open up the app, they show your server, and then your server can go ahead and type in the TEN here, and once they type that code in, it will register. This is what it looks like before they've actually punched the card, and then this is what it looks like once they have actually punched the card. It's a very simple tool. It's a very simple loyalty program, but also very effective. And this is how it's set up. Again, buy 4 appetizers, get 1 free. And if you want to do a second coupon or a second punch card, all you would have to do is click this button here to add a new one. And, you know, free entree, number of purchases 10. Again, you can get with us. We can do this for you in minutes, where you would upload these individual images here so that they would know what it looks like when it's non-punched versus punched. Put in a password, put in all that information down on the bottom, and that's how the punch card works. Okay, locations is down here at the bottom. You all have 2 locations. It's in the Store Locator tab. And we have both of them listed here. Not much for you to do because until you get another location. But literally, you simply would come in, put the address of the location up top. Once the address is up top, it's very simple. We've got the name of the location again. We've got the phone numbers separated by a comma, the email address, the address, or the description. Make sure that it's active. We've got an image here. Click Save, and then we've got the Store Locator. We've got those 2 locations in there. So that's something that you shouldn't really have to mess with. The Call Us button is here. So right now we've got your 2 phone numbers listed in here. If you wanted to add a new phone number, you would simply put the phone number up top, give it a description down below, click Submit, and it would be added to the list of phone numbers. Okay, there's only 2 other things to show you. Okay, so we click on Home Screen again, and in the Home Screen, again, this is where we have everything listed. And so For the website, which we just put into place yesterday, okay, there it is. So again, we would click on the Assign Change Functions tab. And under website, we would go ahead and click on the orange square. When we do, it's called website. The functionality here is website. And here is the website listed. If that were to change, you would simply change the website address there, click save, and you'd be off to the races. Same with menu, because your menu is in the website, so we've taken the specific URL for that page, and everything is listed right here for the menu. The last thing that I want to show you is how to send out a push notification. And that's going to be here underneath campaigns. So we would click on the button called Notification. We would click the button here called Add New. When we did, we would give it a name. You would figure out when you want that message to go out. So you would put the date here. You would select here, and you would put the time that that message would be going out. Reward level, you can leave that blank. This here, you can leave that blank. It's going to go to everybody. Leave this blank, leave this blank. And then literally all you would have to do is just come down to the bottom, type in your message here, and once you do, if you wanted to have an image, you could, say for instance, you made a flyer or something. They're telling you that if it's this size here, you can upload it here, and like a meme or something where it actually has the information right on there. Or you can simply type the information in here, and when you're done, click the submit button, and that message will go out immediately to everyone who has downloaded the app and then favorited your business. So again, in your list of customers, manage customers, what you want to do is download the app, favorite the business, and when you do, all of your customers will be listed here. Again, you can send a push notification to one person, or you can send a push notification to everybody simply by coming down to campaigns and clicking on the notification button, and there you have it. So that is taking you through all of the different features that you now have set up inside of your app. And again, I encourage you to check out this website here, App Admin Login, where you're going to find videos for each one of the features that is listed here that we have that are available. So that's it. If you've got any questions, go ahead and get with Jeremy, and I'm sure he can get those questions answered for you. If he doesn't know the answer, then certainly he can get the answer for you. That is my story. Have a wonderful day, and let's get some people downloading your app, and let's go ahead and help build your business, put more dollars and cents into your bank account. Have a good day.